Have you ever imagined waking up, checking your bank account, and seeing that $300 has just landed there, ready to be used however you want? Now imagine this happening every single day and having the freedom to work from anywhere in the world, even from the comfort of your own home. Would that make a difference in your life? If your answer is yes, then you're in the right video. Today, I'm going to show you 6 real and proven ways to make money online using just your phone. And the best part? You don't need to show your face, invest any money, or have prior knowledge. These strategies are accessible to anyone willing to take action. It might sound too good to be true, but I guarantee it works. And I'll show you exactly how. These 6 methods are still relatively unknown, but if applied correctly, they can generate an incredible income. And before you start thinking that, by the end, I'll try to sell you some course or product. That's not happening. My goal here is not to sell anything. I'm just enjoying my time off and decided to share this knowledge with you. So relax. The only thing you need to do is pay attention. And of course, apply what you learn here. Oh, and for those who stay until the end, there's an exclusive bonus. So besides learning these 6 ways to make money, you'll also get a special gift. Now let's get straight to the point because it's time for business. If there's one thing that has completely changed in recent years, it's the way people make money. In the past, the only option was to follow a traditional path. Go to school, get a steady job, and work Monday through Friday, waiting for a paycheck at the end of the month. But today, the internet has opened up a massive range of opportunities, and many people still haven't realized it. With just a smartphone in hand, anyone can create an extra source of income or even build a profitable business without leaving home. What's even more interesting is that many of these opportunities are still relatively unknown in the US, but they've already become a huge success in other countries. That means if you act quickly, you can get ahead and take advantage of these trends before they become oversaturated. Now you might be wondering, but does this really work? Isn't it just another empty promise? And that doubt is completely normal. After all, there are plenty of people out there selling illusions. But what I'm about to show you isn't just theory. These are real strategies already being used by everyday people who started from scratch and are now seeing incredible results. And if they could do it, why couldn't you? So pay close attention to each of these 6 methods, and at the end, choose the one that makes the most sense for you. Now let's dive into the first strategy, which might be much closer than you think. Let's start with an opportunity that many people don't even consider: local solutions. This could be the key to making money today, without needing big investments or technical skills. The concept is simple. Take a look at your own community and identify services that people need but aren't being offered effectively yet. And the best part? You can charge a fair price while still having a steady demand. Let me give you a real example. Recently, a young man in my neighborhood noticed that many dog owners didn't have time to walk their pets. So he decided to offer a dog walking service. He ran a few Facebook ads targeting only people in his area, and the results were incredible. Today, this young man is making between $9,000 and $10,000 per month just from this activity. And the best part? This doesn't just apply to dog walking. The key here is to identify a local need and offer a solution. It could be something like at-home haircuts, car detailing, landscaping, tutoring. The possibilities are endless. And the best thing? You can start small and, over time, expand your services and client base. How do you make this work? Start by thinking about your community's needs. Ask around, observe what's missing in your area, and create a service that meets those demands. Facebook and Instagram ads with local targeting can be your most powerful tools to attract your first customers. And the best part? You can start today without needing a big investment. Now that you've seen how a simple local idea can generate great profits, how about exploring another way to make money online? Let's move on to the second method. Now let's talk about one of the most profitable careers today: traffic management. If you haven't heard about this profession yet, it's time to pay close attention, because it might be exactly what you're looking for. Basically, a traffic manager is responsible for creating and managing online ads for businesses, helping them attract more customers. The goal is to direct the right people to the right businesses, whether through ads on Google, Facebook, or Instagram. And the best part? Many local businesses still don't even know this service exists, and when they find out, they're willing to pay good money for it. Sounds interesting, right? And the best thing about this career is that it has huge growth potential. A traffic manager can work with multiple businesses at the same time. For example, you could manage ads for dental clinics, gyms, restaurants, clothing stores, and more. Depending on your skill level and dedication, you could work with 7 to 10 businesses simultaneously, making anywhere from $15,000 to $30,000 per month. And if you truly master the skill, you could even start your own agency and scale your earnings even further. How do you get started? The first step is to learn the basics of paid traffic management. There are plenty of free courses and resources online that can help you understand ad platforms and how to target the right audience. Once you get the hang of it, start applying this knowledge to local businesses by offering your services. Believe it or not, many small business owners are completely lost when it comes to online advertising, and you could be the solution they desperately need. And here's the best part: you can work from anywhere. Whether it's from home, at a coffee shop, or even while traveling, this profession offers incredible flexibility. Now that you know the potential of this career, let's move on to the next opportunity. Stay with me. Now, let's talk about an opportunity that might seem a little unusual but has huge earning potential. Travel assistant. If you love traveling and have a knack for finding great deals, this could be a fantastic way to make money. A travel assistant helps tourists plan their trips by finding the best prices and experiences. And before you think you need to be a tourism expert, let me tell you a story that will prove otherwise. Recently, I was in Cappadocia, Turkey, looking for a hot air balloon ride. A local agency quoted me 163 euros for the experience. But after doing a little research, I found an online platform offering the exact same ride for just 60 euros. Now let me ask you, if you were a tourist, would you rather pay 163 euros or 60 euros? And more importantly, if you were the travel assistant who helped find this deal, you could have earned a commission on the sale. The concept is simple. Create a professional Instagram profile. Start posting content about travel destinations, and at the same time, connect with tourists who are traveling to those locations. This is easy to do using location tags on social media. When you see someone in a popular tourist destination, you can send them a message offering exclusive discounts for tours and local experiences, just like the hot air balloon ride in Cappadocia. And guess what? You earn a commission on every booking. This business model has no borders. It can be done anywhere in the world, whether in Europe, Asia, or the Americas. And the best part? You can start with little to no investment, just your phone and a good internet connection. And if you think this is just a short-term opportunity, think again. Many people are already making a great income from this, and the trend is only growing. You can be the bridge between tourists and authentic, budget-friendly experiences while earning a solid commission. Now, how about taking the next step and discovering another way to make money? Let's move on to the fourth method. Now let's talk about one of the most promising and lucrative careers in the digital age: digital strategist. This professional is responsible for creating marketing strategies, ad campaigns, social media management, and even online product launches. If you enjoy working with marketing and have a creative side, this could be your chance to shine. Businesses in every industry need a digital strategist to boost their online presence and increase their sales conversion. Doctors, lawyers, influencers, restaurants, retail stores, all these businesses are looking for someone who knows how to drive more traffic and ultimately bring in more customers. And the best part? You don't need to be an expert in everything. You just need to master the basics and know how to apply them effectively. For example, my business partner Alan is a digital strategist and works with me while I travel. He helps companies create ad campaigns that actually convert. This is a profession that requires dedication and continuous learning, but it also offers huge rewards. A skilled digital strategist can charge premium fees depending on their experience and results. The great thing about this career is that it's extremely flexible. You can work from anywhere in the world as long as you have a laptop and an internet connection. And if you're good at it, you can even start your own digital agency, serving multiple clients at once and significantly increasing your income. One of the biggest advantages of becoming a digital strategist is the scalability. You can start on your own, but as you gain experience and confidence, you can hire a team to help you manage your clients' needs. This can transform your career and take your monthly earnings to $4,000, $6,000, or even more. Now that you have an idea of what it takes to be a digital strategist, let's move on to the next online money-making opportunity. Stick with me to learn about the fifth method. Now it's time to talk about a simple but incredibly powerful way to make money: consulting. This is one of the most accessible methods and can generate a solid income, especially if you already have knowledge or skills in a specific area. Consulting is basically when you offer your knowledge and experience to help people or businesses solve problems or improve their results. For example, you can provide consulting on productivity strategies, marketing techniques, or even teach something specific like learning English, playing guitar, or cooking. The key here is to know more than your client and have the ability to share your knowledge in a clear and practical way. Remember the first method we talked about, local solutions? Consulting works in a very similar way. You take something you already know how to do and teach others how to do it too. And don't worry, you don't need to be an expert to offer consulting. You just need to have more experience or knowledge than the people looking to learn. A great example of this is private tutors. You don't need to be a professor to teach something you're good at. It could be a simple skill like teaching a language, playing a musical instrument, or something more specific like cooking or crafting. Many people are willing to pay to learn, and the best part? You can do it from the comfort of your home. You can start by advertising your services on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or even freelancing websites. Plus, in most cases, you don't need a big upfront investment. What you really need is a solid plan to understand how you can best help your clients and set a fair price for your services. So, if you already have a skill you're good at and can teach others, why not start offering consulting? The demand for these services is growing, and you can start making money right now. Now, let's move on to the sixth and final way to make money online, which happens to be one of the most exciting ones yet. Stay with me. Now, let's get to the sixth and final way to make money online. And for many, this might be the most exciting one: cash on delivery, COD. This payment on delivery model is becoming increasingly popular, and I want to show you how you can use it to generate income in a practical, low-risk way. The concept is simple. Instead of the customer paying upfront for a product, they only pay when the item is delivered. This gives buyers a greater sense of security since they can ensure the product arrives before making a payment. This method eliminates many fraud risks and significantly boosts consumer trust. As a result, conversion rates tend to be much higher compared to traditional e-commerce models. Now, you might be wondering, how do you start selling with the COD model? The answer is quite simple. There are platforms like Logs that allow you to affiliate with products and start selling them using cash-on-delivery payments. You can advertise these products on your social media, online marketplaces, or even in WhatsApp groups, highlighting the benefit of paying only after delivery. This approach works exceptionally well in niches like electronics, fashion, and daily use items. The biggest advantage of this model is that it eliminates customers' concerns about scams. When people can pay upon delivery, they feel much more comfortable purchasing, especially from an unfamiliar seller. And for you, this is a game changer because it makes closing sales much easier. Another huge benefit of this model is that you don't need to handle product shipping. The affiliate platform takes care of logistics for you, so you can focus on marketing and selling. And the best part? You can scale quickly. The more you sell, the more you earn, without needing inventory or a complex business setup. To wrap things up, I'd say this is an excellent way to start an online business with minimal risk, no large upfront investment, and the flexibility to work from anywhere. Now that you know 6 powerful ways to make money online, I want to hear from you. Which one caught your attention the most? Drop a comment below and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on new content.